guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't ever miss an upload from me. So welcome back to another cleaning motivational video. In this video, we will be decluttering, organizing, and cleaning. So get ready to clean with me. I get questions about where does the kid sleep and where is their bedroom. Guys, this is their bedroom. As you can see, they don't sleep here. There's not even a bed here at all. This bedroom is pretty much used for their stuff only. We co-sleep. You know, everybody has their own thing and this is ours. We have been very fortunate to have babies sleep throughout the night. We can easily have the kids sleep in their room, but however, guys, honestly, I am personally not ready for that. I am not ready to have them in a room by themselves. They're just too little to be by themselves right now. They will at some point transition, but right now I'm just not ready for it. It's working for us, it's working for them. I have zero complaints, and when I am ready to rip the bandage off, then that's when they'll be in their room. But right now we co-sleep. Oh my gosh, guys, my baby is growing so fast. I have 3 kids now and it still surprised me how fast they grow. I am decluttering all the preemies, newborns, 0 to 3 months, and some of the 3 months. Although he is not 3 months yet, but I am going to put them away because I don't like when the clothes are, if you hear that, that is him. I don't like the clothes to be too tight, so I like them a little loose. So I will be keeping all the 3 to 6 months for him, and a little bit of the 6 months as well. And the benefit of having another boy, guys, the clothes, I get to recycle everything. So while decluttering the kids' clothes, I did use the KonMari method. As I went through them, I did remove what I can do without and kept the ones that I will be using. So I'm just continuing to declutter and organize as I declutter.
You and I, we are so random. You bring the darkness to the light, split the atom. I ignore the fact that this will never last. Your words come out so soothing that I forget that this thing is confusing. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at. Cause I'm cruising through the rush of us. I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice. I'm all about your vibe, vibe, vibe.
I love this basket. I keep all the kids' diapers in there, and it was a set of 3, I believe. Yes, it was a set of 3, and I got it for $1.50. Yes, you heard it right, $1.50. I guess no one wanted it, so it kept going on sale and I got it, and it was $1.50, and I'm so happy for that because I used one of them to keep all the kids' diaper in it.
I don't care about love, just need your touch.
These clothes I will be keeping. I'm putting them away in the container bin. This Amazon box, I have been using it to basically put all the clothes that I plan on donating in it.
I'm all about your vibe, vibe, vibe. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice. I'm all about your vibe, vibe, vibe.
I really wanted a girl because I already have 2 boys, so I was Definitely team girl. But guys, the benefit of having another boy is I already have everything. Like clothes on top of clothes, shoes. I have every single thing that I need. I don't need to shop at all. Although my family, they love spoiling the kids, so they eventually get new stuff anyway, but I don't have to buy anything. So the oldest, of course, is the first one to use everything, and when the clothes and shoes get too small for him, then they move on to the second child.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna...
Now, not only do I get questions about where do the kids sleep, but I also get so many comments about the kids have too much stuff, oh my god, it's way too much clothes for kids. So it may seem like a lot because I do get comments about the kids having too much clothes. You have to understand these clothes are just not for one person. They are for now 3 boys. 3 kids will be sharing everything. So of course everything is brand new for the oldest because he gets to wear everything first. So when he grows out of them, I pretty much declutter it for him, and then it moves on for the second child and he starts wearing them. So pretty much everything that you see here recycled. It goes to the first child, then the second, and now with the third boy it's gonna go to him. So we have everything for 3 kids. So for 3 kids it's not a lot. If it was all for 1, I can understand. So everything gets recycled.
On the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite. We're dynamite.
Every time we do some kind of decluttering, I like to donate a bunch of stuff to the Salvation Army. However, at the same time, I would love to find an organization that is for women, because since I am a mother and I declutter a lot of the kids stuff, I would love to give it to someone that is in need of it. Once I decide to stop having children, I will have a ton of stuff that I need to get rid of, and I mean a lot of stuff that I need to get rid of. So I definitely have to find an organization that is all about helping women with children, because I feel like that is who may benefit it the most, versus giving it to Salvation Army, but because all they're gonna do is put a price tag on it and somebody's going to buy it. At the end of the day, it's gonna benefit everyone. I'm decluttering and someone else is getting it for the cheap, which is all great. But honestly, if I'm speaking from my heart, I would love to find an organization that helps women, so that way I can give it to someone that is going to absolutely need it. This is the little play area, and right now I'm just removing everything so I can clear out the floor to mop and sweep. Guys, I absolutely love this dresser. 3 years ago, well, over 3 years ago, when I was getting ready to finish the nursery, we went to IKEA and saw this, and I fell in love with it. This is the white stain dresser. It looks absolutely brand new. There's nothing, no marks on it, no stain on it, no nothing. Exactly how we bought it, and I am shocked. I'm surprised that it looks like this with two very active boys. I seriously was not expecting it to stay this clean and looking new at all. At this point, I am pretty impressed with how the dresser is remaining new. I thought the kids would have turned into baby Picasso and decorate the whole dresser, but they are being really good with this dresser, and I just hope it remains like this for a while longer.
No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind. Your love, it is all that I need.
Although with the possible renovation, there is going to be more space, but however, the boys are still going to be sharing a bedroom. And with 3 boys, I'm looking into getting a 3-tier bunk bed. I was hesitant because I thought it may be too close to the ceiling, but we may be raising the ceiling, which I'm a lot more comfortable with because I was afraid the one that's going to be in the top bunk would hit his head, but with the ceiling being raised, I'm more comfortable with that. I think the kids are gonna have fun sharing a room together.
Don't care about no gold, no one else hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind. Your love, it is all that I need.
In a previous video, I talked about this ball pit. I know, guys, it doesn't have any bottom at all. The bottom is completely ripped out of it. At some point, I may have to replace it for the youngest so that way he can have when he gets a little older. I think that would be so much fun. For right now, I enjoy the 2 oldest one using it, playing with it, seeing them together interact with each other as brothers and as a team.